Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 2 of Betty Gets a Head Job. Yesterday I took the driver's side head off. Today I'm going to get the passenger side head off and then do a lot of gasket scraping and cleaning and figure out what I'm going to do about the trick flow heads and the valve situation. I'm going to do a test fit of the trick flow head on here to see if I can determine something with push rod length. But to get started, I'm going to get my impact out and blast off all the rocker nuts. I did the same thing I did on the driver's side. Took all the push rods out and labeled them with numbers and marked the end that went down into the lifter with an arrow. So I'm going to set all these off to the side with the rest of them. Now I'm going to remove the head bolts. Getting ahead of myself here. I have to take the header bolts off first, then the head bolts. I got the bolts out of this side. This header doesn't move as far away from the head as the driver's side did. It's going to make it tougher for the head bolts. Worst case scenario, I have to take that header off the exhaust system down there. I'm really trying to avoid that. But next is going to be to zap out the head bolts and pull that head off. I got 7 of the head bolts out, but I can't get the other 3 because the header's in the way. So I'm going to have to crawl under there and undo the header from the exhaust system. And of course, that's not easy. I have to jack the car up and there's stuff in the way. And you know, those lifters look good too. No problem. Just got to make sure to always run an oil made for flat tappet cam engines. What I'm going to do now is take one of the trick flow heads, set it on there. See which push rods I'm going to need. I have some head bolts in there. I'm just going to tighten them a little bit. I left the head gasket in place, the old one, to kind of simulate a new head gasket. I'm going to snug a few of these up. Okay. Now these heads have guide plates, so you need hardened push rods because they wear on the guide plate. So I got the old push rods. I'll drop them in there. Take a rocker. Both valves are closed. And look, I can see the lifters down there, so I'm okay to do this. These on here. And I can see that the lifter shouldn't be any different than it was when it was on the 306, but still. See, the lifter can swing that far in relationship to the stud sticking out of here. And when it was on there, I could see that that stud was in the center. So there's plenty of lifter travel around that stud. And I'm going to be getting new valves. And the thing that I'm looking for now is the new valves are probably going to be 1/4 inch longer than these valves because of the need for a lash cap. The springs in these heads are good for more lift and duration and pressure and all that fun stuff. More than this current flat tappet. And these heads had a hydraulic roller cam. Okay, I mean the springs. I hope I'm not confusing you. I kind of know what I want to say in my head. It's just not coming out of my mouth. So I'm going to move one of these back here because that lifter's up a little bit. Now I can get a mirror and a light and look and see if there's a difference. Try to show you what I'm talking about. Trick flow head, that valve tip is not sticking very high up from the retainer. The stock one is sitting up a lot higher. See, on something like this, you can put a lash cap on. This you can't. So when I buy new valves, the valve I just took out of this trick flow here is like 4.98 or let's just say 5 inches long. I would get one that's like 5 1/4, so it has more meat up on the top to put a lash cap on. I've got some other sets of push rods here. They're all trick flow, but I have like 7.15 length, 7.25. I have 6.7s. So I got push rods. I can determine which ones to use once I get the valves in the heads and then get the correct rocker geometry at mid lift. When the valve is halfway through its lift, you have a 90-degree angle between the pivot and the top of this valve. I'll go through all that later. Right now I got to measure valves, order some up, and get them here. Okay, I just went and ordered a bunch of stuff. I ordered new valves, and I have an order in for intake gaskets, head gaskets, valve cover gaskets, valve seals, lash caps. Unfortunately, that stuff's not going to get here till probably Monday. Well, it's spread out. Like some's coming tomorrow, some's coming Saturdays. Valves aren't going to be here till Monday. Those are kind of what I'm going to need first. Because I got other things in here that I can be doing. But that's going to be the end of this video for a few days. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage, Part 2 of Betty Getting a Head Job. Stay tuned to the channel for more updates and videos and projects. Bye.